how does an everyday person turn themselves into their own bank? So how do they truly become their own banker? Well, what they need to do is they need to crank up as much premium into dividend paying, participating whole life insurance policies as they possibly can. You need to insure everyone that you have an insurable interest in, create your warehouse of wealth. And then from that very place is where you complete all of the things financially that you would have done through someone else's bank for the duration of your lifetime. And then when you pass away, there's a death benefit thrown in for good measure. So all the money comes back to the family. And if you do this properly, you keep the money in the family. And the only loser at that point in your life is the government. It's all done on a tax-free basis. And so recognizing that the banking function must be held at the you and me level, because the central banks have done a pretty darn good job of screwing things up and creating the biggest financial mess that we've ever been in. I haven't met anyone yet who hasn't developed some level of distrust for the financial system, but they can't quite put their finger on it. They can't quite put their finger on what's wrong. And they can't quite put their finger on the solution. How do I get out of this? How do I secede from this? This is the way to do it. Get your hands on a copy of Becoming Your Own Banker, authored by the late R. Nelson Nash. Read that book with an open mind, and it's going to open your eyes to an entirely new financial world. I promise you.